Hi everyone, welcome to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, your friendly English guide, and I'm so happy you're here.
And I'm Adam. Together, we'll help you learn English through stories, emotions, and real-life conversations.
Because English isn't just grammar or books, it's life. It's how we talk, laugh, dream, and connect with people everywhere.
In every episode, we'll explore everyday topics, like travel, friendship, food, jobs, and feelings, so you can speak English naturally and confidently.
You'll learn new words, real expressions, and fun idioms. And we'll practice them together so you can sound fluent step by step.
So if you're an English learner who loves warm stories, easy lessons, and friendly vibes, this is your world. Welcome to Amjee's English World.
Don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell.
Let's start learning, one story at a time.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Amjee's English World. I'm Alice, and today we have something special for you.
Hey everyone, I'm Adam, and today's story is all about your first day at school, backpack, you know, that mix of excitement and a little nervousness.
Exactly. New faces, new teachers, then sometimes you forget where your class is. Haha, but don't worry. We'll help you learn how to start conversations and make friends in English. So imagine this, a girl named Lena walks into her new classroom. She feels shy holding her books tightly. She looks around and thinks, where should I sit?
Then a friendly boy named Tom waves at her and says, "Hey, is this your first day here?"
Lena smiles and says, "Yes, I'm new. I just moved here last week."
Tom replies, "Welcome. You can sit next to me if you like." And that's how a new friendship begins.
Let's look at some useful words and phrases from this story.
First, nervous. It means a little afraid or worried about something new. Example, I feel nervous before an exam.
Second, friendly. It means kind and easy to talk to. Example, Tom is a friendly person.
It's a warm way to greet someone new. Example, welcome to our school.
Okay, friends, now it's your turn. Practice makes perfect.
I feel nervous.
He is friendly.
Welcome to our school.
In real life, you can also say,
Nice to meet you.
where are you from? Do you want to sit here?
Yes, these are perfect small. Talk phrases for school or even a new job someday.
Let's act it out. I'll be Lena, the new student.
And I'll be Tom, the friendly classmate.
Hi, is this seat taken?
Nope. You can sit here. Are you new?
Yeah, I just moved here. And I hope I don't get lost again.
Ha ha ha. Don't worry. I got lost 3 times on my first day.
See? It's easy to make friends when you smile and say something simple.
Yes, confidence grows with practice, so don't be shy to start a small talk.
That's it for today's lesson. First day at school, meeting new classmates.
If you like this story, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Amjee's English World for more daily English conversations.
Remember, every conversation is a step toward confidence. See you next time. Bye.